Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about if you can use Goodbudget without linking your bank account. The short answer is yes, you can. Goodbudget is based on the envelope budgeting method. This means it was designed to be used by manually entering your income and expenses. This is the core functionality of the app, and you can use it this way with no bank account linked. In fact, the ability to automatically sync with a bank account is a feature of their paid, or premium, plan. If you are a premium subscriber, you have the option to link your accounts to automatically import transactions. However, if you're using the free version, or you simply prefer to have more control over your data and want to manually track everything, you absolutely can. Many people choose this method to stay more mindful of their spending. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.